Welcome to the Slipbox project. It is a compartment for sleeping. This object consists of 17 separate pieces that you must connect after printing. Door and door holder, which is made of 2 objects with a radioactive logo and without a logo. Flooring, bed, mattresses, bedding and pillows, oxygen capsule, capsule holder and connecting tube. The door lock is made in such a way that you do not need to remove the door to keep it open. And at the end of the connection of the roofs and the roof holder. After purchasing and printing, send us the printed images and receive a gift of a jet engine for printing.